What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls and flakes, we spray it out, create new color combinations, and then you guys decide, do you love it, do you hate it? 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and rate it anywhere in between, guys. Today we got gloss black and satin charcoal that we're going to two-tone the fender behind me with. And we got silver ash. Some of you guys have been wanting darker pigments, more of a earthy tone, and just an overall darker look. So this is definitely going to do it today. This pigment's like a really dark, almost black pearl / gunmetal, but it also pops. It's very sparkly at the same time. So I'm excited to see what it's going to do over the two darkest possible colors we can do in Rustoleum. So without further ado, we're going to take these two Rustoleum colors, we're going to two-tone this fender behind me, and then we'll get spraying some silver ash from Rustoleum pigment. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, we got our Rustoleum color sprayed on the fender. It looks pretty cool, very dark colors. They're going to grow great with this pearl we have right here, the silver ash. Now, I'm using my Speedo Coat Clear today, 4-to-1 mix. So I did 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of medium temp activator. And yeah, it's about 80 degrees today, so it should be perfect. As far as the pearl load in this one, like I said, we're going to use it to complement the colors. So I'm going to try not to go too heavy. It's a 10-gram bottle and it is slam full. So I'm going to spritz a little bit in the mix. I'm going to be somewhat generous because I got a lot of it, and I think over the darker colors it'll be fine. We shouldn't have any issues. So I'm going to put, well actually I'm going to leave this open, and I'm going to bring you guys in close so let you see the pearl dry and see it in the mix because this is pretty crazy. So I'm going to show it to you. Alright guys, so that is the pigment dry, silver ash. Man, it looks like daggone asphalt, don't it? And then that's in the mix. Let me put it on a little tripod thing real quick right here. All right, so we got the powder right there, and let's start stirring and see what this does in the mix. Now, this is pretty crazy. Yeah, we're getting like a gunmetal gray mixture. This is going to be a very metal, like dark metallic look to it. It should complement the black and the gray well because it almost looks about the same color as the gray, almost a chrome look. But anyways, guys, there's only one way to find out what this is going to do. Let's load up our gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, I got my silver ash pearl loaded up in my V-bore gun, 1.4 tip. Shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings. We're going to put a tack coat on first, just light. Do 2 or 3 additional coats till we get the coverage we want. And then it's time to take it out in the sun and see the magic. So I'm going to put my paint mask on real quick. And let's get spraying some silver ash pearl. Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. Gloss black and satin charcoal with a silver ash pearl. Now, like I said, it looks very much like a black pearl. If you saw the very first episode of Rustoleum Custom Mix, this is like a sparklier version of that. And if you've missed any Rustoleum Custom Mix video, we've got over like 50, so go back and check them out. We got all kinds of color combinations. But anyways, guys, ultimately, I want you guys to rate this today. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and anywhere in between. If you made it this far in the video, hit that subscribe button, pop that bell notification so you don't miss a new episode, and drop me a like and comment. Let me know what you thought of today and what you think of the series so far. Also, if you have any crazy combinations that we haven't tried yet, drop them in the comments, and we'll get to them eventually. But I appreciate you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun with this one today. It turned out really, really nice in my opinion. But anyways, guys, if you want to buy any of the products you saw today, the silver ash pearl, the clear, the gun, the tape, any of it, guys, links in the description. As seen on YouTube, click it takes you to my Amazon store. You can pick up anything there. We get a small kickback. It goes to help the channel, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Prime and everything else, guys. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. I appreciate you guys for watching today. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope all you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.